In this Sailing Doodles, we welcome Amanda back to the boat, and then we take the new boat out on its maiden voyage over to Caja Muertos. This season of Sailing Doodles features Bobby and Amanda as we cruise around the Caribbean in the Hatteras 52 motor yacht. Thank you so much to our patrons for making this channel possible. In the previous video, I gave you an in-depth tour of the dark side. It's a 1997 Hatteras 52. You can check out that video in the description. Today is the big day, getting ready to get off the dock. So before we do that though, I gotta reintroduce you. Oh no, I lost the microphone.
I'm back!
She's back. So, sorry, I gotta fix my microphone real quick. All right, so here she is. Welcome back. Good to have you back.
Here.
All right. So what do you think of your first impressions of the boat so far?
I love this boat. So obviously this is a lot larger than the catamaran, but I do want to show you guys inside as well as outside because it's
I already done
to die for. Sorry about that. Never mind.
I already did a boat tour video of it.
So why don't we just start traveling then?
Let's do it. So first off, what we need to do though is like make sure like everything that would fall over is like secured.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's do that. One drawback on this boat right now is that there's no solar and inverter. So basically there has to be a source of power, AC power for the boat like all the time to run, refrigeration and stuff like that. This is the control panel here. I'm gonna switch it over from shore power to generators and then I gotta start a generator. Unfortunately, that's just the way the boat is set up. My plan would be during the hurricane season this year to come back to Puerto Rico and have solar and an inverter charger and all that so we don't have to do that. All right, so now the generator is on. This is the 20 kilowatt generator that lives under here. It's better for when we're underway, just because I don't know. I can monitor it easier to make sure it stays on because I can see. I can see, make sure it's on. Whereas the one in the aft, if it were to kick off, I may not know. So, while we're at anchor, I prefer the aft one. It's a little quieter. One kind of cool feature this boat has, it has like an auto coiler for the shore power. That's always been a pain in the ass, is the shore power cable, trying to hoist it together and store it somewhere. Where this one has like electronic motor that you just roll it in. I need to replace the cable though because it's getting kind of old. You're gonna feed me this yellow cable.
Okay.
Just don't let it fall in the water. All right, we still got a few things to do to get ready, but we're gonna start the motors right now. Let them start warming up. All right, now that I got the engine started, I'm gonna go down the engine room just make sure there's not spraying any, fluids or anything. All right, that looks good. So we're gonna go to the fuel dock first, so I need to get some dock lines ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna use my aft controls just to get off the dock, and then I'll go around the other side. I forgot to film actually using the aft controls, but now I'll head up to the helm. We're gonna go right over here to the fuel dock and spend a fortune on fuel.
What Bobby does best.
Yeah, put gas in here. Diesel. It's gonna be a lot. I mean, this boat's pretty empty, so it's gonna be a lot of diesel.
Hey guys, so I will be the captain today, and we are in beautiful Ponce, Puerto Rico. So I'm waiting for Bobby to fill up the boat, and then we will be on our way out of here. Let's see how long it takes. It's been 5 minutes so far, and I'm getting really impatient. Shh.
Well, it's got 5 fuel tanks. It carries almost 1,300 gallons, so it's gonna be an expensive day.
I can't wait till we see.
All right, so that was $1,543 for 600 and something gallons. I have to look at it in a minute.
We're ready to set sail.
Yeah.
It took like an hour.
Yeah, it took a while. I couldn't get the little cap off, but for one tank, so I probably could have added another 150, 200 gallons to that. So, but I mean, $1,500. Hopefully that lasts us a couple months. Fly the drone to get off the dock, but it's a little windy, so first time really out in the boat, I didn't want to risk it. So we're heading just about not too far to that island right there, and we'll pick up the speed a little. All right, we're doing about 10 knots, 1,200 RPM on each side. Doing all right. Not too bad. I air straight into the waves, which helps, so at least we're not rocking and rolling. So what do you think?
It's beautiful. These are definitely the biggest waves that I've experienced so far. But at least we have a motorboat and not a sailboat, which is even better, so we'll actually survive.
Well, I am a motorboat and son of a rolling a bit here. Nice though. What did you think?
That was a really nice cruise. And the water, guys, come outside. It's to die for. Literally to die for. Look at this view. And we're only 230 miles away from my favorite place in the world, St. Bart's.
Yeah, it's a pretty spot, but I'm gonna wash down. They got a lot of salt water on the boat, so I'm gonna wash down with some fresh water real quick, and then we'll start playing a little bit. So Mantis Marine sent us a bridle, and it's pulling pretty hard on that chain right now, so I'm gonna put it on there. Unfortunately, it's already set up for the, well, it's already set up for 3/8 chain. We got a 1/4 chain currently. I'll be changing that soon, but for now, I need to hook up a bridle. So Mantis Marine is pretty cool stuff here. This should work pretty well, and I mean that's pretty beefy right there.
Guys, look at this beautiful view. This is like a dream come true. Hey, Bobby.
Unfortunately, I don't have a thing that'll go through that small enough chain that I'm worried about breaking it. Because the chain's only 1/4. See, it's pulling on that windlass. That's not good. All right, so I got the bridle on now. So it was really putting a lot of strain on the pulpit, and now it's on the bridle, so it's just much better now. It's much safer. You could rip that thing off or break a chain or something. This is much better. So thank you to Mantis Marine for sending us that bridle, and they sent us a new anchor too, which we will show you once we get the new chain.
Oh, okay, wait, hold up. Where's my leg over here? Okay, ready?
Got me stone cold. You got me stone.
That was amazing.
Got me stone.
Rinsing off. Woo!
It's a rough life, guys. It's a rough life.
Wow. It's a little chilly when you get out though.
What do you think?
It's a lot better than pasta. We've switched over to pizza, guys.
Well, it is nice having a real freezer to have like frozen pizza. First meal on the boat here cruising, so it's really rolly. It's probably a little too windy to try to bring the dinghy down from up top because it's gonna be swinging too much. So maybe when the wind lessens this evening or in the morning, we'll put the dinghy down. We'll just kind of snorkel and swim around here for a little bit today later on.
All right, let's eat. Yep. There's the bartender.
Yeah, hey, got some margaritas coming here. Well, let's do them in these glasses here. Frozen margarita. Maybe not quite icy enough, but it's gonna be good enough. It'll be all right.
I like those cups.
Yeah, there we
Very
go.
shiny.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. There you go. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh yeah, that's good. I like it.
Woo!
So I didn't think she'd do it, but she's gonna do it. Jump from the top.
Oh
Okay. So, cool thing about this boat is it is quite tall.
All I need is one drop and then I would be forgetting, babe. Kill it without you. You're like water, baby.
Little bit of current coming through here. The bridle was holding great, and I was really looking forward to our new anchor and chain from Mantis.
I would like to swim there, but not back.
It's lost in the desert, babe. I cannot forget you. All I need is one drop and then I would be forgetting, babe. Kill it without you.
Isla Caja de Muertos is a beautiful spot, and Amanda was certainly enjoying it.
You're like water.
don't want to get out. I think I'm gonna stay in.
Sunset has like real green flash potential here. So I'm excited about this one. Perfect spot for it. I don't know what Amanda's doing. Told her to come. Definitely my new spot back here watching the sunset. We got this little seat right here. Can't go wrong with that. It's pretty nice. So for dinner tonight we have a couple steaks here. I've been marinating them all afternoon. A little bit of wine, brown sugar, a little bit of salt, and Worcestershire and olive oil. So let them marinate in that. And I'm gonna cook them up on the stove here. Little like pan fried stuff. That's the way to do it. There you go.
Wow. And I'm getting served, guys.
There you go.
I think I'm staying in Puerto Rico for a long time. Well, we got a new boat and we've upgraded our food as well.
Yeah.
So cheers to that.
Cheers. Yeah. Good food here. Cheers to you guys too.
2021 is looking real bright.
Yep.
All right, let's eat. Wow. Okay, good.
Hey guys, I wanted to let you know that the Sailing Doodles podcast is back, and I've changed it up a little bit now. It's no longer just like a topic, like sometimes it's been just about dogs and sailing and, you know, checking in and places like that. Now I'm just interviewing and talking to people, just kind of a free-flowing conversation with other people in the boating community, and so it's a lot of fun. They're a little bit longer podcasts. They're available on YouTube, so there's the Doodle podcast. Go over there. There's a link popping up at the end of this video for the Doodles podcast. You can watch it on video, or it's at all your podcast audio providers like Spotify and iTunes and all that. So anyway, please give it a look and subscribe to it. I appreciate it. Subscribe to this channel while you're at it.